So few brain cells, so much excitement. When you're out driving, there always seems to be adventure waiting for you around every corner. And here it is. Sherry Shartstain causes just as many skid marks on the road as she causes in people's underwear. I think Helen Keller could have done a better job of yielding than she did. A lobotomy clinic just released a bunch of its patients out onto the roadways. We start with Crackhead Kathy's half-assed half-brother, redneck rock-snorting Rudy, who runs a red arrow to make a U-turn. And then a minute later, another of Crackhead Kathy's relatives. We have a green arrow, and therefore the right-of-way. But Crackhead Kathy's cousin and sister, Meth Mouth Marcia, fails to yield to us and then honks back. People like her make curse words useful. People being idiots is the gift that keeps on giving. The gift that nobody asked for or wanted, but a gift we keep on getting nonetheless. Jerry Turd Smugglins in this big rig cuts off the guy in front of us. And if that wasn't enough, half-wit Hector does the same thing. I think I'd rather get a pile of elephant crap under my Christmas tree than to keep seeing this poor guy get cut off. BMW drivers reinforcing stereotypes. Mike the muff-swallowing shit biscuit runs the stop sign and makes an illegal U-turn. He was just considerate enough to wave us to go, but did all of that just so we can illegally park in a red zone. Look at all these available parking spots he could have parked in. His driving is so bad, even his GPS instructs him to let it out of his car. So he turned right in front of that truck. Why? Oh, that was stupid. The things that moron drivers do make about as much sense as taking a laxative before a road trip, then blaming your chocolate waterfall on week-old nachos. Chode-chugging Charlie is behind us in our lane, but just has to get 2 more cars ahead, even though he's going to be turning right very soon along with the rest of us.
Yep, we don't want to wait behind everybody else.
I'd like to try seeing things from his point of view, but I just can't seem to get my head that far up my butt.
I don't know what you're waiting for.
Nad's ass Turdington just can't do anything right. The guy in front of him is pulling onto the shoulder to stop, and Nad's ass Turdington mindlessly follows him onto the shoulder, even though he has no intention of stopping.
Oh, fuck. I thought you were pulling in behind that guy.
Since he played follow the leader, I thought he was pulling off the roadway too. Should I point out that he's also driving around without a spare tire? Well, anyway, his reign of stupidity isn't over yet. He's turning right, but can neither muster a turn signal nor move over before turning, as required by law. Like I said, he's incapable of doing anything right.
I don't know what the hell he was doing.
Not doing very well.
That was strange.
There were plenty of signs beforehand warning drivers that traffic may be stopped due to construction. I was ready for it, but it seems a couple others behind me were not. Strange that this person stopped so far back. I'd rather get kicked in the goodie bag than get caught in a pileup.
Yeah, it's 35 through here. I'm going 3 over.
You never have to go looking for stupid, because stupid always manages to find you. Fanny Fuckwit suddenly decides to slam on the brakes to make a last-second turn.
What the fuck?
That was as painful as popping a pimple inside your nostril. On today's episode of Green is the New Red, Loopy Lawrence, who is waiting for some other shade of green. And no, that noise was not a game show buzzer, but it may as well have been to tell that van driver he got it wrong. The light for the turn lanes is about to turn red, but these two idiots have been watching too many episodes of Red is the new green. And this poor guy over here is about to pay the price. Hopefully, Crash It Chris will be paying higher insurance premiums for years to come. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.